I used to think editing videos meant cutting out all my mistakes. Now I realize editing is basically trying to stop strangers from getting bored every 7 seconds. And once I started adding visuals, B-roll, sound effects, and music, people actually stayed longer. That felt really insulting. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So today I want to talk to you about YouTube analytics and how improving your editing videos can help keep viewers watching longer. Painful, right? Now technically there's nothing wrong with this, but visually this feels more like mandatory workplace HR training. This was the first thing I started doing. Okay, we're in our editing software here, which is CapCut. I use CapCut because it's fairly simple to use for beginners. So we're going to show this, how to do this in CapCut. We're going to add a photo layer on top of our video. So we got our video here, I've already imported in. We're going to drag it down into our timeline. We're going to look at it here. I'm going to chop it up a little bit and chop off the beginning of where, before I start talking. So we'll add a cut here and click on the stuff we want to cut off and hit delete. We'll move over to the end here where I stopped talking, and we'll add another cut here and cut off that portion. Now we're going to go in here and see where we want to add our image. I want to talk to you about YouTube analytics. Alright, there I started saying the word analytics. So I'm going to back it up just ever so slightly. And I'm going to add in an analytics picture on the screen. So I'm going to go up here to import. And I have a screenshot that I took earlier of my analytics. So I added that in. I'm going to grab this and drag it on the timeline where I wanted it there, where I had that bar. It's going to snap right to it. And I'm going to drag this over to make it a little bit shorter to the end of where I talk about that. Let's see here if that's where I want it. Whoops, we got it a little bit big here, so let's drag this. Just grab it on the corner and drag it to the size you want. You just click in the middle of it and you can put it wherever you want. I think right there next to my face looks good. So now let's see if that's the length I wanted or if I want to shorten it down. I'll talk to you about YouTube analytics and how improving your editing videos can help. We can make it just a little bit longer. See here how we like that. About YouTube analytics and how improving your editing videos can help. Alright, I think that's good. That's it. I just started showing people what I was talking about. So today I want to talk to you about YouTube analytics and how improving your editing videos can help keep viewers watching longer. Already looks better. Now the viewer isn't just listening, they're looking at something. Then I realized something else. Apparently people don't want to stare at my face for 8 minutes straight. So this is where I started adding B-roll. Alright, we're back here in CapCut. Now I'm going to show you how to add some B-roll. So we got our edited video from earlier. We're going to drag that down our timeline. You can see it's got our image in it we put, so we're going to move just past that because that's where we're going to add something new. We're going to add some B-roll there, so let's look here and see where we want to put it. Moving your editing video. That's where we want to get it when we start talking about editing videos. Editing video. Alright, I see where that is, so I'm going to move this back about right there. And I'm going to import some B-roll I have. And I'm in the right folder here. Let's see, where is this? Editing video. I'm going to drag that down on the timeline. And we're going to make it a little bit shorter. Well, a lot shorter actually. We'll pull that down to about here or so. We'll go ahead and drag it through the rest of that sentence. And then I want to make this a little bit bigger as well so it shows up better on the screen. So I'm going to grab the corners of it here. There we go. Now let's look and see how we look so far. Analytics and how improving your editing videos can help keep viewers. There we go. Now we've added some B-roll. That's literally all B-roll is. It's just visuals layered on top of your talking. So today I want to talk to you about YouTube analytics and how improving your editing videos can help keep viewers watching longer. Now the viewer's brain keeps getting re-engaged every few seconds, and weirdly that matters way more than you think. Hey, if you're over 40 and trying to figure out YouTube like me, hit that subscribe button below. If you want more content like this, click the like button as well. Because this channel is basically watching a Gen Xer slowly adapt to modern internet attention spans. This last part shocked me. Apparently, total silence now feels emotionally uncomfortable online. Now I'm going to show you how to add some music on your video. So we're going to go back in here, we're going to go up to the top here, corner. We're going to click on audio. And we got music selected. Let's scroll down here to something. Let's go to, where is it? Exciting. And let's see this happy fun. I think this is what I wanted. Yep, I like that one. So we're going to add that one. We'll click the little plus. Oh, wow, it's way long. So we can drag over here using the bar on the bottom of the screen. We'll grab the end of it and drag it way back over here, holding our keys or holding the mouse button here, and we'll drag it to the end of our video. And let's see how our video looks now. So today I want to talk to you. That's too loud. So we're going to click on our music down here. We're going to go up here in the top right, and we're going to drag this down about 26, I believe, is a good number usually. Let's see, well, there we go, 26.6. Let's see how this sounds. About YouTube analytics and how improving your... I think that sounds pretty good. The trick here is to keep it low. If viewers notice the music more than your voice, you've probably gone a little too far. So today I want to talk to you about YouTube analytics and how improving your editing videos can help keep viewers watching longer. Same exact talking, completely different energy. And honestly, this completely changed how I think about editing. I used to think editing was mostly about technology and fixing all my screw-ups. Now I realize editing is really about helping people stay engaged. And apparently, modern humans now require visuals, movement, music, sound effects, and occasional stimulation every 12 seconds. Which honestly explains a lot about society.